So hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to show you my phase 4 mini project in which I make a joke generator. It will generate a joke. So here is the code. Uh, First I'm going to run it. So here is the UI. You can see AI joke generator. Click the button to get a funny joke. Whenever I click here, tell me a joke, it will fetch a joke from Gemini and it will appear here. So let's see. Whenever I click here, it will take some time, and it whenever I click to this button, it button get disabled until the fetching is complete, because I don't want that user fetch the data multiple time. Okay, so here you can see the joke. This is the And after that, if you want another joke, you can click it again and it will again fetching. So here you can see this time it's not able to fetch. After that, we are going to click again. So let's see if it is fetching data or not. So it will take some time. After that, it fetched. Okay, so it is working. Okay, so after that, after here you can see the JavaScript. Here you can see we have a variable and API key in which I store this API, and also here we uh, I use API endpoint name, and here is the API link and everything, that what Gemini model I'm using. And with the help of template literals, I mention this API key, means this key here, and here DOM element, HTML element, JavaScript access. Okay, so what I am doing here, we have joke button and joke display. It means the button where I am clicking to fetch the joke, and the section where joke is displayed. So I select with by ID, and this one also I select by ID, joke display. After that, we have prompt section, const get prompt, const get prompt, and const get prompt. After that, we have a arrow function in which we passed a const random number mat.floor mat.random and into by 10,000. So it will give us a big number. So what happening here, we use random math.floor method. It means math.floor generate a random number, and the number will be in point. So removing that point and getting big number, we use this number. Whenever we multiply, we get a what we get a large number. After that, the large number can also be a in decimal. For removing the decimal, we use mat.floor. After that, we storing a random number and returning tell me a short joke, tell me a short, clean, family friendly joke, make it unique and different, random seed. And we passed that number here. Just give me the joke directly without any introduction. Okay, so we are telling that return this. Okay, so so here you can see const uh, fetch joke async with, so we use async. So we are using we are using a sync because we are fetching data from API, and data fetching is a asynchronous code. So it will take time. So we have to wait and execute the other codes. That's why we are using async. So here you can see loading. So what happening here is display. So whenever we are fetching the data, joke display dot inner html, it will show like fetching a joke where you can see the previous, and it will show until the joke is fetched. Okay, joke joke dot button disable equal to true. We are disabling the button that user cannot click on multiple time, and we are using try here. API post request. So we are posting a request. It means we are sending a request again. This all I already explained in my previous video. So in short, I'm just going to explain. So what it doing, fetching data API end. It means it is fetching data from here, and it is fetching data and waiting until the post request is pending. After that, it will store in response. Okay, and we are sending data to the API. That's why we use post method. Then header. In header, we are going to we have to tell the Gemini API key that what we are using, that we are using JSON format. And after that, body, it means we here we use JSON dot stringify. We made that in like a string. And after that, content, body, and text. Here is the real prompt. That okay. After that, here, so if the response is not okay, if response dot okay is not, here we use not operator. So if it will be not okay, so throw new error, API error. And response dot status means it will show that like 404 error or 500, anything, whatever the response it will claim. Response uh, and after that, here we are again use a wait response dot json. It means whatever is came here in response, just convert them in json format and store in data. After that, const joke equal to data dot candidate index 0 content dot part dot text. It means whatever is text came, just store in joke. And after that, joke display dot inner html, change and show this joke. We will pass joke, and whatever the joke came in text, we store in joke, and we are displaying here. So it will display the joke. And in the catch section, whatever uh, if we found any error, it will show here console.log error fetching joke. And whatever the error is appearing, it will show here. And display.inner text, it will show like this. That you can also see it before I fetched when second time, it will show this error. And this error is, oops, couldn't fetch a data, please try again. Okay, and this is the finally, this is the would it doesn't matter your promise is resolve or reject, it will be always done. And it will be joke button dot display equal to false. Sorry, joke button disable dot false. It means whenever we are fetching data here, whenever we are clicking here, after that doesn't matter data came or not, the this button is available to click. It means the disable is removed, kind of removed, because we did it false. Okay, so here you can see again, oops, couldn't fetch a joke, please try again, that this line. And after that, uh, joke dot, here you can see the main part, uh, and kind of important, joke dot add event listener click. And whenever we click on this button, this function fetch joke function is run. Here you can see fetch joke, and this is all happening again. So I hope you will understand. Thank you for watching the video.